Okay, now time to look at uniswap.org. Again, we click on Launch App. Then we see the interface. It is connected, detecting a little amount. This demo account of Ethereum, it's enough. Okay, then we gotta decide which coin are we going to swap to. We could swap to Ape, for example. Ape coin. And we want to use 0.003. Ape coin, that's like the token that are in the ecosystem of Bored Ape Yacht Club. So let's do one maybe. Oh, we need more. I think that'll do it. Also need to pay for gas. Okay. Yes, we say accept. Then we need to confirm the transaction again in MetaMask. It says I do not have enough. Okay, let's check. Okay, 1 moment. We will say we just need like half. And connect. Yeah, voila. There we have it, and it says there will be transferred within 30 seconds, right? And confirm. And we can say we want to add Ape to our MetaMask. Yes. Close. And it says that it has swapped it. That's my new balance. Let's check the Ether scan. Yes, just need to refresh a couple of times. And then here, 0.61 Ape coin. We can click on it. Voila, that's it. Yes, and we can see I have 2 wallets, also a demo wallet on Binance chain. We can click there and then view accounts. So that's actually account 1. Yes, account 1 I have a little amount of Ethereum. So that's basically it. We want to shift again. Voila. Yes. And then see the status. That's it. You can also play with other exchanges like PancakeSwap. We have it here. Make sure it's the right wallets. Connect wallets. MetaMask. Next. And switch network. Yes. Then we just want to make sure that we have some BNB here. So you can buy it on Binance or other places. Yes, so you just need to copy this and then send the BNB to this wallet. Then you can use PancakeSwap. And that's basically the same mechanism as swap. You have BNB and you want to buy, for example, Cake. That's the main token of PancakeSwap. You just input here, 1 BNB. Then you get 75 cakes. So that's basically the same mechanism as Uniswap, as we've seen before. Launch app. And change. It says shift network because we're on Binance now. Yes. Voila. Yes. And it has a list of many tokens. Make sure it's the right token. Always check the tokens on CoinGecko, that it's the right wallet. Yes. Thanks for this time.